the needs and requirements of building a home to Energy Star standards and beyond.
Well, the one easy part for Synergy Builders is, as we are committed to living into the Energy Star standards, the standards are set high for us, and we have prescribed methodology that we use to ensure that our houses do meet or exceed the Energy Star standards. So we're allowed to build into that with a multitude of techniques, but the end goal being that we achieve that standard. So where we're at here today is we're out at Casey Farm Subdivision in East Grand Junction. And what we're looking at is a foundation footer in place. It's important that we end up with a structurally engineered foundation on every house that we do, as well as ensuring that the foundation stem wall is insulated to the degree that we need it to be to ensure that we meet the Energy Star standards.
What we're getting ready to do right now is stand this blue foam up on the outside of our form walls. Then we're going to go ahead and pour concrete in the center of it. It'll be a 24-inch stem wall, and that's going to give us conditioned space for the inside of our new Energy Star home. Here we are, we're at construction stage of the house. We've just put this house up, and it's a 24-inch stem wall. Now we're ready to enclose it, seal it off, and get it ready for siding. Here we are. We came in, we went ahead and flashed it, finished it, and we wanted to give it a good aesthetic finish, made it look good, and now we're completed. This is your finished product.
Our goal here today is to show you the behind the scenes, behind the walls techniques that Synergy Builders employs to ensure that we meet the Energy Star standards. And it really starts off with the foundation, which we've already showed you, moving into advanced framing techniques. So as we come across here with the 2-foot on center, where the wall meets the wall, the cavity here allows us to add additional insulation in here so we're not losing heat. And what we do here is we create a cavity here so that we can put foam inside the header so that we end up having an increased R value above the window. The way that we build this box here and then put foam inside of it will give us an R value that doesn't transfer the heat to the outside like normally it would.
Okay, what we have here is a 95% furnace. We put this in all of our Energy Star homes. You're only losing 5% of your heat exchange, meaning that we're trying to get you every bit of your heat in that pipe and into your home that we can get you. Also, we've got a MERV 6 filter up here. We're giving you better air quality into your home. It's about that big, and we put a counter on this. The counter says that we want you to change that filter about every 6 months. If you look over to my left over here, we have a tankless water heater. It's made by Rheem. I'm also trying to save you energy efficiency costs with that. Water goes through and there's coils in this system. Instead of heating up 40 gallons of water, all you're heating up at that point is the water that's coming through. When you turn on your faucet, that's it. One way or the other, we're trying to be energy efficient and work that for you as a consumer.
So throughout our filming, we've shown you the foundation and what we've done there, shown you the frame, what we've done there, and now we're at the finished product to ensure that we meet or beat or exceed the Energy Star standard. We start with a blower door test, which allows us to create a negative pressure inside the house that essentially simulates what really happens during the normal course of your daily operation of your house. With our blower door test, what we're doing is we're evaluating the air leakage in the house to make sure that we built this house tight, but we also ventilate it right. So not only does Energy Star evaluate the energy consumption aspects of this home, but also we care deeply about the air quality that's indoors when you live and breathe inside this house. Here we also pay attention to the duct leakage within the mechanical systems of the house. As an Energy Star standard, we seal every duct to the substructure of the floor. To further ensure that the mechanical system is working at optimum efficiency, Synergy Builders has the duct blaster test, and therefore ensuring that where the areas that you want heated or cooled are served properly and 100% by the system itself. I think that we define ourselves as smart energy builders. So Synergy Builders came out of those two terms, and we hope to accomplish that one home at a time.
Synergy Builders' mission is to provide sustainable housing to all of their clients, from first-time home buyers to growing families to downsizing seniors. Synergy Builders places value on efficient construction, Energy Star ratings, high-quality finishes, and provides the best product in the market at a value price. Let's hear from some of Synergy Builders' clients and see more of this builder's incredible work.
My name is Robin Redding and I live in Brook Willow Village. My experience with Synergy Builders was